Hi, this is Otto, the open source DIY biped robot.
My name is Camilo. I am the EdTech developer at Moravia. As a product design engineer, I always wanted to build robots, but it was very difficult to find parts in the market or even the knowledge to build them. At the end, you end up quite frustrated with the result. So, putting together all my knowledge and with a 3D printer, I created this little robot called Otto.
With just a few components, you can build and program Otto. Using open source software, you can customize Otto's movements and behaviors, all thanks to its simple yet powerful programming. Hello everyone, this is Lornetta Sanks, founder and CEO of iNuggets. I'm a graduate of electrical engineer from Florida A&M University, a self-taught YouTube graduate in robotics, and I am currently working as an Azure cloud engineer. After watching several videos on robot kinematics, I wanted to apply what I've learned and code Otto using forward and inverse kinematics. As this seems almost impossible to achieve, getting math and physics to work, even experts like Akshat Srivastava, a mechatronics robotics engineer from Purdue University who interned at RoboCrete, India, have encountered difficulties coding Otto using inverse kinematics. Many professionals opt for alternative approaches. They'll rather rely on their knowledge of how servers work and provide a hard-coded solution, a simulated solution using MATLAB Cheers Simulink, or they rely on software packages like Julia and ROS. Because of this, and the Defense Department calls for a major STEM initiative as American math skills pose a threat to national security, iNuggets was founded to revamp our current education system to have students and learners apply mathematics and physics in robotics, which lead me into writing an in-depth robotics book with a complete step-by-step C++ inverse kinematics code solution.
I told you, physics works.
iNuggets is a testament to the power of physics in action. Our students can confidently apply their knowledge of mathematics and physics to real-world scenarios through the Otto robot. Don't take my word for it. Here are testimonies from industry experts. It's time to stop wondering how to apply your physics and math skills and start putting them into practice with iNuggets. Join us, join iNuggets, and together, let's make education great again.